Alright, gonna open up one of these bad boys here. One of these cannons. It's got Genie Canvas in it. Okay, let's open one up, check it out. Alright, so there's the frame. There's the frame, so these Velcro onto that. So I'm gonna put it together and show you. Here are the assembly instructions. Shows you exactly what to do. So I will send this along with it to my client. It's actually pretty easy. So here we go. Okay, so these are already attached on there. So it'll go like that. And the slots here for the other ends to fit into. Okay, so we'll roll up both the sides there. These are the two end bars and the center crossbar. Okay, when putting in these two end bars here, you're gonna wanna make sure it's bending that way. Okay, Velcro is on the top and inside, so the canvas Velcro can wrap over. It goes into these two slots here. Slots in, have to bend it to get the other one wedged in there. Okay, just wrap the center part of the Velcro first. Fold it over there so you can even everything out. Do the other side as well. From the center, you tighten out all the rest of the Velcro, stretch it out and pull. When you get to the end here, you can just fold this in. Folded, okay. End bars are on. Now for the center bar. Okay, this is the center bar. It's got this plastic sleeve in the middle. Okay, you move it off of the hinge there so that it can bend when you go to put it in. So there are two slots here on each side. Side is in and it's bent up like that. Now to put the other one in, okay, push down on the center so that it's straight. It's a little hard to push, just gotta be careful. Slide the slider back to the center so it doesn't hinge. And voila! Genie Canvas assembled. Ready for painting.